Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are talking about how to solve the system of equation that equation is logarithm equation that have basic 2, basic 3, and basic 4. And here is I let is first equation, and here is I let its second equation, and here is I let its third equation. Okay, now the first step for equation. Okay, by first equation that log basic 2 of x plus log basic 4 of y plus log basic 4 of z equal to here is 2, here is 4, here is 4. So now I change it to the same basic that it is I time it's 2 divided by 2, and so now we use the formula that is divided by b times log basic h of y. We can change a in the indicate of y and h, so it will get exponent log h power b and y power a. And for these formulas we use for this, we get 2 power 2's and h squared. And so now here we can write log basic 2 squared is equal 4, and here is h squared, and plus here is log basic 4 of y plus log basic 4 of z equal 2. And now we use the formula that log basic a of x plus log basic a of y. When it is same basic, we can write it equal log basic a of x times y. So here is we get log basic 4 of x squared times y and times z equal 2. And now so we get this 4. When we change to the right hand side, we get 4 squared. So here we get x squared times y and times z is equal 4 squared. Okay, now here is I let it fourth equation. And the next step, I use the second equation. Okay, second equation logs basic 3 of y plus log basic 9 of z plus log basic 9 of x equal to. And we use the same trick that we multiply with this with 2 divided by 2. So now we take it in. We get its equation log basic 3 squared equal 9. And here is 9 squares plus log basic 9 of z and plus log basic 9 of x equal to. And then for this the same basic 9, so we get is log basic 9 of y squared and times z and times x is equal to. And then we change 9 to the right hand side, we get 9 squared. So y squared times z and times x is equal 9 squared. And I let it the twice equation. And now I use the third equation that third equation log basic 4 of z plus log basic 16 of 8 plus log basic 16 of y is equal to, and we use the same trick that now we multiply with 2 divided by 2, and we change it in, and we change it in. So we get the if 4 squared equals 16, we get log basic 16 of z squares and plus log basic 16 of x and plus log basic 16 of y equal to, and then we get the same basic 16, so we get log basic 16 of z squared times x and y equal to, and then we change 16 to the right hand side. We get z squared times x times y equal 16 squared, and now here is to get the value of the I let it 6 equation, and now we time the 4 equation and 5 equation and 6 equation that x squared y z equals 4 squared, and here is y squared z x equal 9 squared, and here is z squared hy equal 16 squared. So we multiply both sides of this, so we get it equal x squared times x, and times x we get x power 4, and y times y squared times y equal y power 4, and z times z squared equals z power 4, and equal 4 squared times 9 squared times 16 squared, and here is we get x, y, and z all power 4, and it's equal, it is equal 4 times 9 and times 16 all square, and here is 4 equal 2 square, and 9 equal 3 square, and 16 equal 4 square all square, and we get x, y, z all power 4 equal 2 times 3 times 4 all power 2 times 2 equal 4, and equal here is we get 24 power 4, and then it's the same as the exponent that we know that in logarithm of equation x, y, and z is must be positive. So now for here is equation x times y times z is must be positive. And so we get x, y, and z is equal 24. And for now, this I let it the seventh equation. And now for this x squared y z equal 4 square, we divide this with 7 square, with this 4 square and divide 7 square, we get this x squared y z and divide by h y z equal 4 square divided by 24, and here is we simplify for this, we get here is x equal 4 square equals 16 and divide by 24, and we take 5 to the simplify 7, and we get 5 divide 7, we get is y squared z x divided by x y z equal 9 squared divided by 24, And we get here is simplify x, simplify z, and simplify y. We get y is equal 81 divided by 24. And the next step, we use the sec and divide 7. Sec and divide 7 it's equal, here is z squared hy and divide by hyz, and we simplify h and h, y and z is equal, here is 16 square and divide by 24, and so we get equal z equals 16 square equal 256 and divide by 24. And now we get the values of x, y, and z. That x equal 16 divided by 24, y equal 81 divided by 24, and z equal 256 divided by 24. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye. See you next video.